Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. You will need a few basic tools, including a 10mm wrench for the battery terminal and a 14mm socket for the alternator bolts. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you start working to avoid burns. Now, let's get to the removal process. Use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the drive belt, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the two electrical connections, the main power wire, usually secured with a 10mm nut, and the smaller multi-pin connector. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its bracket, aligning the mounting holes. Insert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, making sure they click securely into place. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys. Almost done. Use your serpentine belt tool to retension the belt, ensuring it's seated correctly on all pulleys. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging properly. Let the engine run for a few minutes to confirm everything is working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.